So as you can see, this video has been recorded and both cameras have been turned on, and in today's video I will show you guys how to record a video with a front and backwards camera working at the same time. So all you need to do is watch this video. Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable dual camera on your Android phone. This means that you can record your phone camera backwards and front in the same time, which is going to be really awesome. So all you need to do is watch the steps that I'm going to show you, and if you're enjoying the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That would be truly appreciated. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Play Store and search for an application called Dual Camera. And if you can't find it there, just make sure to open the link from the description box. You can find it from the description in case you don't find it in the Play Store. So after you search for this application, make sure to press on install and then wait for the application to start downloading. It shouldn't take that long. And by the way, this application does not require a root, so that means every Android phone can do this really well. And I hope you guys comment below if you face any issues. So now we have the application downloaded, and you can see I have a dynamic island from iOS 14 or iPhone 14 on my Android device. If you want to know how I made that, there's a link for that video in the description box as well, so make sure to watch that to make your Android phone look much cooler. So going back to the video, let's go ahead and open the application that's called Dual Camera. I'm going to search for it here on my application list. If you can't find it, just search for it. Otherwise, it should be in your application list after it's downloaded. As you can see, mine is just next to the Google Drive application. I'm just going to open that and I'm going to show you what you need to do. So it might show you an ad or two, just so go ahead and turn off the Wi-Fi and then tap on while using application, press on allow, give it permission, and then that's it. So as you can see, if I take up the phone, you should see that my front facing camera is working while also having my backwards camera recording as well. If I press on record, it should record on both cameras and it will make your video look much cooler, just similar to the one that you're now seeing on your screen. This could be very helpful if you're in a picnic and you don't have anyone to record you. That way you can self-record yourself and that's it. So I have a surprise for you as well. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. If you have been here, make sure to comment below on this video and you will have a chance of having your comment shown in the next video that I post, similar to this community and subscribers that are commented on my previous video. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.